Oh man, forever stuck at red lights. Alright, good morning everybody. So as you see, I've been kind of on a hiatus, I guess for about 2 weeks now. I feel like we're gonna be stuck at red lights all the way up. So I guess I have a little bit of explaining to do right now. Where I've been for 2 weeks. It's a good explanation, I promise. It's not an excuse. Jesus, calm down. I don't really need gas, but I'm just gonna top it off just because. Yeah, you take a gallon, half a gallon, whatever. Alright, so I wasn't even gonna make this video today, or I was actually gonna film. We'll ride at that. First and foremost, there's two things I want to quickly explain. Oh, what is that? Should have picked it up and moved it. Alright, now we got all that out of our system for now. Judging by my voice, I don't know if it's different or sounds different. I had a really bad cold. This cold actually snuck up on me, kicked me in my face, and it took all my lunch money. So I don't normally get sick, maybe once a year, if that. But I have an extremely good immune system. And I know you're probably thinking, well, you were sick, so it can't be that strong. But like I said, I don't get sick that often. But when I do, it's bad. I couldn't talk, like at all. Every time I talked, my throat would like clog up with all the nasty bodily things that our disgusting body just makes and creates. I ended up losing my voice. I didn't lose it completely, almost like laryngitis, but it was just, I just couldn't talk. It was very raspy. I would start coughing a lot. So I was trying to rest as much as possible. So that's the main reason why I really didn't upload. I had a couple videos saved up to upload, but I didn't feel like editing. I didn't want to sit in front of a computer or anything. I just wanted to rest. And I forgot the second thing I was going to tell you guys about. I don't remember. All I know is it's cold today. So today is just going to be a leisurely ride. I'm not really going to do too much crazy stuff. Oh, the fast lane in California, where they go slower than every other lane. God, I gotta pee already? Just started. Alright, I'm not really gonna talk anymore, so I'm just gonna kind of skip to when I'm closer to where I wanted to go.
Few inches later.
I'm gonna hit you guys with a little bit of traffic real quick. I guess San Francisco was where I was headed. You guys would be in fact correct. I didn't have really a route planned. I know San Francisco a little bit better than a lot of other places. Plus, if I went through one of those, I would have had to plan my route, and that takes time. I mean, it's not like I know where I'm going, obviously, because 99% of my videos I get lost. So the roads probably would have been really, really bad. With all the rain we were having and everything, there's probably going to be like leaves, and it'd probably still be wet, and there'll be debris everywhere. So I kind of just want to stay away from that for a little bit. Man, it is a clear day out today. Good. Let people over. It's my good deed. I do need to find a spot to pee. Run the old hands up real quick. Put them on a motor. If you guys ride, you'll know exactly what I'm talking about. Yeah, no, that's... Listen, I've watched Final Destination before. I know exactly what goes on when you go between those. Oh, these bumps really aren't helping me having to go to the bathroom. Out of the way, Prius. Street sign for this sign. Go, man. Oh my god. Actually a really good place to eat right up on the road. Let's think about going there. It's called Tommy's Joint, Joyent. I know this is like Japantown right here. Just come right over. I think we're going through Little Russia right now. Little Russia needs to repave their roads. Gotta love it. Gotta love it. I mean, it's only right whenever you go through a tunnel, you gotta rev on or make sure everyone hears you. Oh god, I can't even fit through there. Actually, I probably could have. Look at this. It's like a bank, a bank, a bank, a bank. You have many choices for banks apparently on this corner. Let's go down there and see if there's a bathroom first. Besides the entire ocean I can pee in. No, where to park? Well, I guess I could just kind of park wherever I want. They have to have a bathroom in here. I guess we will find out. Let's see. National Park Service. Alright, I'm gonna shut you guys down real quick because I don't think you actually want to watch me pee. Probably the most awkward thing I've ever done. I walked in and everyone was staring at me because the camera wasn't rolling, but I have it on my helmet, so it looked like I was filming while I was peeing. Man, a lot of people out today. It's nice out here. Just soak it all in. It is extremely nice up here, I won't lie. I like to come up here once in a while. And here's the beach. This beach would be so much nicer though if it didn't have all the graffiti on the walls, because people are morons and can't keep anything nice. All you smell is weed. Ugh. I don't care what anybody says, that shit does not smell good. This is all familiar. I don't know why, I feel like I've been here before. This is oddly familiar. Where have I been here? I feel like this building right here. Yes, that's where. I remember coming here with my ex before. She used to live up here. Long story. Won't get into details. A while ago, man. I was like 5 or 6 years ago. Yeah, no thank you. Oh, go, 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 go. Okay, you're not gonna go, so I'm gonna go. Ladies and gentlemen, I now give you me not knowing where the hell I am or going. You have the Golden Gate right there, so if you keep going this way, you're eventually not going to wait at that red light, but eventually you're gonna make it to like 101 or Highway 1 or Van Ness or whatever, you will find your way, I promise. How we gonna do it, ladies and gentlemen? You guys think I can make it through there? Let's try. It's the worst that can happen, right? Oh yeah. Like a glove. You're good. Man. Woo. Oh, thank you. No, thank you. No, thank you. No, thank you. Hey, look. Pow. Man, there's a lot of lane split in this video. Oh, tunnel. You guys know what that means, right? Oh, I really can't rev bomb or anything. I guess we're hitting you with the Golden Gate. Wasn't planning on it, but whatever. Things change, right? Go ahead and end today's video. I do apologize. It's boring as hell. I know I'm gonna be watching it and falling asleep. So if you guys are falling asleep, go ahead and hit that like button. If you guys aren't already doing so, make sure you hit that subscribe button as well as hit the notification bell so you are aware of when I upload a new video. If YouTube actually notifies you. I need each and every single one of you watching. Head over to my Instagram. Show me some love, show me some support there. But with that said, I need all of you guys to, number one, stay hungry. Number two, stay humble. Stay motivated in all of your life's goals. Always remember, success never comes easy. You gotta work your ass off for it. And with that, I will see you guys on the next one. Later.